Alright guys, we are back working on the 1965 Dodge D500. If you guys missed last video, we went ahead and replaced this old water pump with a brand new one. It looks beautiful in there. Today's video, we're going to be working on the brakes. We're going to try and get them fully done without making another video about the brakes unless something else happens. But I want to finish the whole braking system in this video, which is new master cylinder, and finish out the brakes on the passenger side rear. And we have to bend that brake line too. We'll do all that in this video. I want to degrease this undercarriage right here. That's what I'm going to be doing right now. The first thing is to spray a bunch of degreaser all over this, let it soak, and then hit it with a pressure washer. I had to buy a Ryobi. A lot of people talk bad about Ryobi products. I personally haven't used any other products besides their angle grinder, which has worked. I mean, the last 4 years I put that thing through hell and it's still working. And I had a pressure washer of theirs back in California. I sold that before I moved here to Alabama. Picked up a brand new one last week. Had to go with Ryobi. I just had great luck with their pressure washer, so I bought a new one. This one doesn't have the Honda motor like my other one did, so we'll have to see about that. But it's a pretty good pressure washer. Starts right up first pull. My other one started up right away first pull. I'm not sponsored by Ryobi. I just like their pressure washer, and their angle grinder is pretty good. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start degreasing, and then we'll hop into the engine bay, take off the master cylinder, take off the clutch cylinder, put brand new ones. This is what they look like. How to get brand new ones, because both of them are leaking. This one, I think it leaks a little bit inside the cab. I'm not sure. It might just be the master cylinder leaking, but if I'm gonna get a new master cylinder, might as well get a new clutch cylinder and bleed that system as well with the brand new master cylinder. So there's both the brand new parts. We got 2 more of these just for the back passenger side, and then we should be all good to go with the braking system after we finish all that. So let's go ahead, start degreasing and pressure washing. So I know a lot of you guys bashed me last time I painted the wheels. You said I should have taped everything off. Well, I did it again. I didn't tape anything off. As you can see, there's a bunch of overspray. But what I did last time was I just took some paint remover, and you guys know that this wheel was covered with white, and there's no more white anymore because I use paint remover. Funny, they make products that remove paint. So I didn't tape any of these off. I still have to paint that one right there. And I got one more painted inside the green room, but you know, I'm just gonna take some paint remover, get that all off, and this side should be good to go. I'm not gonna worry about doing the back, because eventually with driving it'll come off itself with all the dirt and stuff. But this side is completely done, ready to go. I just went to the store and I picked up a bigger chisel to use to try to get that axle nut free. They didn't have a big crescent wrench that I was able to use for this. I don't even know what size that is. It's pretty big. The biggest crescent wrench they had didn't even go to 2 inches, and that's a lot bigger than 2 inches. So I'm hoping that chisel works better than the flathead and digs into that more, so I'm able to, you know, get that axle nut off and actually do this side of the brakes. You guys saw me pressure wash that side. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the engine bay, and I'm gonna start to take off the master cylinder and the clutch cylinder and get those both replaced. They just need to be taken off and switched out with the brand new ones. Did I show you guys in this video? I think I did. But we got the brand new ones over there. And what I don't like about this design for the master cylinder, I don't know about the clutch cylinder yet, But the way that they have it, they didn't weld the bolts in there. So what you have to do is take off this side. This side has the nuts. So you go ahead and unscrew these. But on the back side, it's not welded. So it just free spins. So you either have to have two people or have a pair of vice grips or something holding this side while you unscrew this side. This is a dumb design. I could probably hop under there with the welder and just put a little tack there to hold it in place. But have I mentioned yet that I don't like doing brakes, man? We're almost done. So let's go ahead and start working on the engine bay, and then we'll hop to the back, finish that out. Hopefully we'll be able to get that axle nut off and finally get done with all the brakes that we need to. Hopefully I don't have to do anything else with the brakes, but I'm excited to get this truck driving again, and hopefully you guys are too, so stay tuned. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Man, it's stuck on the end, man.
It keeps spinning on my side, so that's why.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. Got it?
Got it.
Pull that baby off.
Where's the new one?
Man, look at that thing. It's all rusted. So we have to take off this and that. And put it on this brand new one.
It's gonna work a lot better.
Oh yeah. Can actually work.
Feels heavier too.
Alright guys, we got the master cylinder put back on, all bolted up, and we just took the clutch master cylinder off. Caleb Paradox came over here to help me out. For those of you guys that don't know who he is, his YouTube channel Paradox. Want to give him a brief description of what's going on in your channel right now?
Too much to explain, man. I'll just have to go check it out. Shop, 2 trucks being built.
Yeah, so we started to build the shop, and then we had to have a company take it over. But he's got a shop build going on. He's got a dump truck build going on. A 51 Dodge truck with a 4BT Cummins going on. There's a whole bunch of stuff on his channel, so definitely go and check his channel out.
Not gonna be able to get it, I guess. I need my dang vise.
Little liquid wrench on there. But Wednesday's video, I went ahead, put a brand new water pump on there, and we tried fixing my Cummins, but that little bolt return check valve didn't work. So once we get these on, we're gonna hook the lines all up. We are gonna try and get this axle nut off. Got the old hammer. All those tabs in there aren't blocking it, so I bought that chisel because it's better than a screwdriver that I've been using. Just don't hit the threads.
Yeah.
There it goes.
How long did it take you to work on it?
Dude, I was trying with that screwdriver for like 30 minutes. And I bought that chisel at the store right now for $6. So I was like, I'm gonna need a chisel anyway. Now that this axle nut or spindle nut, whatever you want to call it, is broken loose.
I thought you were talking about the rear axle bolt. I thought that's what you needed.
Oh no.
For. Yeah, these chisels are good. I got the same exact one.
But now that this is off, we can take this hub off, change out the brakes. It should be fairly simple, 30 minutes or less. It was super easy on the other side. So we're gonna finally have brakes again. We could probably bleed them here while Caleb's here, so I don't have to do it by myself.
So remember how these go, right? So this here,
yeah,
it can only go one way.
Yeah,
only go one way. We got a parts washer thing.
And this parts washer stuff is no joke, man. It'll take off all that grease. Look at this. All the this used to be almost clear, and now it's like black.
Drop it right in, or good?
This parts wash stuff, where I already got bolts in there.
You want to take those out first?
Nah.
Some people were talking crap about the jack stands, man. Need to get some or borrow mine.
Yeah.
You know, chop legs off.
I mean, nothing bad happened, so it's all right. But if something bad did happen, like this jack lost its hydraulic pressure and it fell. It's kind of safer when you have a set of wheels on the backside. That's why I left these on, or I left one on this side just to hold up this side. So I don't know, but yeah, I still need jack stands. So
you got another one you got to worry about here.
Yeah, they got two in there. Well guys, we are gonna go ahead and install that clutch master cylinder. We're gonna get working on this side and hopefully get everything done within the next hour and a half before it gets dark, and hopefully bleed the brakes and have brakes on all four corners, so stay tuned. All right guys, we just got done doing the brakes on this side. The only hard part was trying to get the stupid brake line into the wheel cylinder. That was the only tough part, and it wasn't even that tough. It just took a long time. But we finally got this side done. We're gonna wait to put the axle back in because we have to make a gasket, or we can just use some, what's that gasket brand we always use?
Velcro?
No, the liquid gasket.
Or Pertex or Permatex or whatever?
Yeah, something like that, whatever. We're gonna throw some gasket on there. But right now we're gonna go ahead and bleed the brakes while Caleb is here, because I can do all this stuff by myself, but I need two people to bleed the brakes. So we got the master cylinder on, you guys saw that, and we just put the clutch master cylinder on. We're gonna have to wait on that one to bleed it and everything, because the fittings that are on the old one, they're not coming off, they're bent, so I'm just gonna buy new ones, so we don't have to worry about that. But Caleb has that topped off. He's gonna go ahead and press the brake. I'm gonna go ahead and crack the brake booster and try to get some fluid out of it.
Yep. You guys gonna be in here with me. All right, I'm to the floor. Is it cracking loose?
Yeah, hold on. Oh shit!
What happened?
He's a squirter.
You a squirter?
Oh yeah.
Steady stream?
Oh yeah.
All right, good. Close it up. You want to do the next one, or you want to check
to that back corner?
Hopefully we still have fluid in there. That's low?
About half.
Half, yep. It was full before, so we're good there.
Hey, hold on.
What?
You were pressing it while the cap was off.
I don't think I was.
You were pressing it with the cap off, and it was a
I
squirt.
wasn't
You didn't press it?
I didn't press it, no.
Oh, it was squirting
My
all
foot was
over.
off.
All right,
they
let
just
me,
had some pressure or something.
do this side, and then we'll do the driver's side, and then we'll hop to the front.
All right, let's do the floor.
All right. Get that dust cover off, man. Keep pumping. Any of these lines leaking? Don't look like it. Hold it.
Up to the floor.
Oh yeah. Pump it again. Hold it.
Hold on. All right, to the floor.
Alright, we gotta get a stream out of that. Alright guys, we just finished up everything that we needed to do today. We needed to finish the back brakes. Those are done. We needed to install the master cylinder and the clutch cylinder. That is all done except for those fittings on the clutch cylinder, but I'm gonna do that in my off time so you guys don't have to see me do that and wait even longer for a video because I'm not gonna be able to go until tomorrow. But we got the brakes all bled. They should be all good to go. Caleb said that the brake pedal is really hard, so that's a plus. We still need to put the axle back in. Like I said, I'll do that on my off time. So next video is going to be us testing these brakes out and driving the truck again. I haven't driven this thing in probably over a month, man. It's been down and sitting right here. I'll go ahead and clean up that wheel and paint it in my off time as well, so you guys will see everything right away in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on this 1965 Dodge D500. I'll have it all ready to go for next video. And let me know what you guys want to see with this truck. You know, I'm kind of coming towards the end. Sadly, I'm probably going to be putting this thing up for sale within or towards the end of the month, just because what else am I going to do to it? This wasn't like a project like Caleb's was, where we're sanding it down, painting it, doing all that stuff. And it's not really, I don't think it's worth it for this truck to do that kind of restoration, because it's not really a desired body style. So this truck will be going up for sale soon. So hopefully we can find another badass, or is that a word, badasser? A more badass truck to build, and we'll go ahead and do the whole nine. No, strip it down to the frame or whatever if it's in that bad of shape, and go from there. So thank you guys for watching. Go check out Paradox. His link will be down below. A lot of stuff happened on his channel as well, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Dippin' Diesel out. And also merch in about probably a week now, so stay tuned. He didn't even get close.